Well, hello, my algebra students. Our test is going to be moved to Thursday because Wednesday's Ash Wednesday. Oh my goodness. Forgot all about it. So the first row of problems is scientific notation. So you go 3 times 2 is 6 times, when you multiply two things same base, you add the powers. 8 plus 6 is 14. Did you get that? I hope you did. 6 times 5 is 30. Times, multiply two things same base, you add the powers, so it's 10 to the negative 13. But wait a minute, my students. The first number has to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to divide this by 10 to make it 3.0. So I have to add a 10. So it'd be negative 12. Tricky problem. Now 9 divided by 3 is 3. Times, when you divide two things same base, you subtract the powers. 6 minus a negative 4 would be 6 plus 4, which is 10. 6 divided by 2 is 3. When you divide two things same base, you subtract. Minus 3 minus a minus 2 would be plus 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Now we do the laws of exponents. Negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. X is 6, x to the 10th is x to the 16th. Y to the 8th, y to the 20 is y to the 28. Whenever you have something squared, you just square both terms if there's no plus or minus. So that'd be 9/25. Or you could just go 3/5 times 3/5 because a square means there's two of them multiplied together. Here we go. 6 and 9, that's coefficients. So you do it just like a fraction. You reduce it. So that would be 2/3. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 1 times anything is the anything. A negative power means bring it down. So x is 7th has no other x. Y cubed, bring it down. Y cubed times y to the 4th is y to the 7th. Z to the negative 2 means bring it up and make it positive. So that'd be z squared times z to the 8th would be z to the 10th. Now this one, whenever you have a product raised to a power, you raise all of them to that power. So it'd be x to the 24th, y to the negative 32, z to the negative 12. But a negative power means you need to move it. Move it, move it, move it. So it becomes z to the 24th. Excuse me, that's x. I wrote x, said z, but wrote x. Y to the 32 on the bottom, z to the 12th on the bottom. How are we doing, my peeps? Okay, here, you just distribute to all the terms. So this would be 12x to the 9th plus 15x to the 8th. When you multiply two things same base, you add the powers, plus 6x to the 7th. This would be 3x squared plus 12x plus 5x squared minus 15x. So add these two up. 8x squared, you can only combine terms that have the same variables to the same power. 12x minus 15x is minus 3x. Hey, we're a crankin'. So distribute this, it'd be x to the 17th plus x to the 13th. Multiply two things same base, you add the powers, plus x to the 10th. Now, FOILing. Oh, we've been working on this for a couple days. It'd be 3x times 5x is 15x squared. 20x plus 6x is 26x. And 4 times 2 is 8. So this x and x is x squared. Minus 3x minus 7x is minus 10x. Minus 3 times minus 7 is plus 21. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 9x plus 10x is 19x. And 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, this one, 4x and 3x is 12x squared. Minus 15x plus 8x is minus 7x. Minus 5 times 2 is minus 10. I know it's not been a very long time, but this video is going to take more than 10 minutes. So I'm going to break it up into 2 parts. We'll do the second part in just a little bit. Thank you.